Okay, I'm going to show you my second version of my deco mesh tubing heart chain. So this one is a little bit different. If you watch the other video, you know we made this one that moves around. The hearts are loose. So this time we're going to do this one, which I already started and I already decorated it, but it's two of the hearts are back to back and they're solid. So we only have these that are moving around. Okay, so to do this, again, we just need to run a chenille stem or pipe cleaner through the deco mesh tubing. And I got some different colors I wanted to show you on this video. So if I did red, this is what it would look like. And then plain silver, I do this a lot, silver on silver. It's very pretty and it'll go with any colors. Let's focus in. For this one I'm going to continue with the black though. And again, you can find this deco mesh tubing at just about any craft store, and check the dollar stores during seasonal times because they will carry it. It's usually smaller packages, but if it's just $1 a package, that's a really good deal. Okay, so I just left a little bit of the pipe cleaner out on both sides. Again, I'm going to overlap it, but first I need to run it through here. There, I'm going to overlap it like this. Give it a couple of twists. So you don't want your deco mesh coming off of the pipe cleaner at the end. Then I'm going to make my heart shape. Okay. I'm going to take another one, and this one I just go ahead and make the heart shape first. Okay, overlap it, a couple of twists. Now for this, we're going to put these together like this. So I want to take these and twist it around this, and take these ends and wrap it around this one so they're stuck together. Which can get a little confusing, but I'm pretty sure those are the right ones. I give that a twist and push that up. And then wrap that around that way and give those a twist and hide that. I need to make another heart shape with this one. Okay, so you see those are back to back and they almost look like butterfly wings. Okay, so I already decorated this middle because I don't like leaving that. You can, but I just don't like it. So I already did that one with tinsel. I just cut off a piece of Christmas tinsel, maybe about 1.5 to 2 inches, and wrapped it around, and took a little piece of wire, which is this wire, and just twisted it, and so it stays on. I guess you could hot glue it too, just be careful. Then I also took this little piece of bling, this flower diamond bling, and put a hot glued piece on each end. Or you could take a bow and put it right in the center and attach it like that. So you get a different look depending on what you want to do. And you just keep making them until you get the length you want. And when I get to the end, I like to take another pipe cleaner for my top and just run it like this. And then you can use this to staple on your backer, and then you have a lot of room to work with. You can put it down as far as you need to. That way you don't have to cover this up. You can put it down about this far from your backer and it won't show. And then you've got this cute little chain. And I have made circles, I've made diamond shapes. You can make the hearts smaller than this. These are the full-size hearts. But just any idea you can come up with, and I'd love for you to share your ideas with me, and I'd love for you to like my videos. Thank you. Bye.